today it is a hot boy.
Hot boy.
We don't have our first fast pass till like 12:30 for, oh thank you.
Talking to me. Ruin my game.
Our first fast pass is until 12:30 for Navi River thing. And so we're going to go over to Dinosaur first and meet dinosaur chipmunks and go on the best ride at Disney World. Yay! I always like this walk-in, it's really shady and fab, but then the rest of the park is so warm. Yes, it will be a fun day. What are you doing?
Just checking the times.
Is it still dead?
Start to pick up now, 10s, 20s, 15s, 30s.
What's dinosaur on?
10.
Sweet. Sweet. Dino Land, USA.
Now you're selling it. Yeah, you see.
Oh, you can meet Pocahontas there.
Oh, I want to be Pocahontas.
That's fab.
Should we go in now? There's no queue.
Is she down there? Let's go have a look. See, I would have gone right, left. Yeah, that was walk on to meet Pocahontas. Yay! That was fab. She was great.
She was cool.
I think her hair was real though. She was fab, yeah. I don't know where she was from. She definitely wasn't Native American.
Yeah, no, there's definitely some sort of Eastern, Asian in there.
Yeah, she was cool. I liked her. There's photos of us with her somewhere. Maybe I can put them in the video.
Ooh. That never works though.
It might work, and if not, it's just going to be an awkward couple of seconds of me
Some
going.
people go, oh, there's a tag there.
Yeah.
Link here, and there
Link
never
here.
is a link.
No.
There's a link here, but my editing skills dictate that I can't put a link here. Link here. Scrooge! Scrooge, lend us $10, will you?
It is time to go on the best ride, Animal Kingdom. And I'm saying that because we haven't been on Pandora yet. Not Pandora, what's it called? Flight of Passage. I still maintain this will probably be better.
Oh yeah.
But yeah, it's only got a half-hour wait, so that's fun.
Dinosaur.
Have you seen Dinosaur?
Yeah, a long time ago. Long time ago.
I feel like it's one of those things that people don't realise it's
I got it when I was a kid. Probably. So that's a long time ago. Because I'm old.
Dark places and scary dinosaurs. Yeah, this ride is terrifying. Oh, there's a smiley face in the sky. It's weird.
If I can bring you back from the Cretaceous period, it stands to reason that I can bring back a live dinosaur with you. And not just any dinosaur. Take a look at this guy. He's an iguanodon, and I'm certain that he is the key to understanding these magnificent creatures.
Yay, we made it back alive! Yay! Oh look, photos are automatically linked. You don't have to do a scan. That's annoying though, because I want to see the picture. I never noticed how much the first one of these dudes you see looks like the lava worm from Journey to the Centre of the Earth. So, he's so soft and squishy. He's so cute. That ride is so good. It's like so stressful. I hate it when they're like, there's 90 seconds, you're like, nah! And there's always just kids crying. The little girl in front of us is just like terrified. It's so scary. Like, I understand why there aren't more warnings about how scary it is. Oh my god, these are fab! Look! It's like a spooky little skeleton dinosaur. I love him.
Cute.
Don't you think it's weird that they don't warn? There's not a lot of warnings that say this ride will fuck you up. Like,
this ride's gonna scare the kids.
Yeah, there's like, I just feel like most other parks in the world would be like, this ride is terrifying. Like, just be warned. It's gonna like make your kids cry. Like they don't. And then there's just fucking this guy just chasing you, and then there's this guy. You walk around the corner and he's just wolfing another one down. Yeah, it's fun. I'll be very surprised if Avatar can beat that because it's so good. It's so good. I love it. The theming in this park is always just ridiculous. Like, it's so authentic.
Want to see tigers here, isn't there?
Yeah. We're going to ride Everest now. That's why we're in Tibet. It's just so fab.
I didn't think you were like to bet in America.
Oh, for God's sake. That's really bad. There she goes. There be a disco yeti in there.
Brave.
Oh yes, those fans are nice. There is no aircon in this park. It is gross. And Avatar is currently on 2 hours, so that can fuck right off.
Going down.
Well, we're hoping, yeah, it's gone down from 2 hours and 3/4. I think everyone's gone there first is what's happened here, so we're gonna knock out some of the big ones. Just done Dinosaur, doing Everest now. And then hopefully by the time we get around there, it'll be a lot quieter. And the track was broken.
The track was broken and we didn't know what to do, and it went backwards and we got scared. I think we survived.
I don't think it's meant to go backwards, it just started going backwards. It was so scary. It's scary. He doesn't look like that.
No, he's like his friendly ghost son. Bob.
I know, but look how cool it is. They're actually both really cool, yeah. I like the colours of that one. Cute.
Maybe put it on the ground. You have to go around the rim.
I am doing that.
No.
I love it in here. Batties.
Are you ready to earn your bat?
Oh, there they are. Look, Connor. Yeah. They're fab.
Well, they're big ass pops, aren't they?
Flying foxes. They're so spooky. I could watch bats all day. I think they're so
That's what they
fab.
had in the zoo in Singapore. The whole thing was open and they were like...
That's fab. Yeah, this is...
Yeah, but they'd actually come in.
Oh, that's fab.
Oh,
It's so
open,
cool.
but they won't come in.
Any Tiagas? See any? Ah, it's more just exhibit. It's a fab exhibit though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Just no beasties in it. Any over here?
I feel like this is how Jurassic Park started.
Oh my god, look!
Human body.
Grass! Oh no, there is a tiger in there.
Is there? Where?
Yeah. It's there.
Oh yeah.
I love this exhibit, it's fab.
Oh, there's two there. On the back.
Oh, hold on, let me come.
Right by the wall. See?
Thank you.
Oh yeah, a little stripy dude.
And then let's use it here at the front.
And it's nice and cool in there as well, doesn't it?
They're just chilling in the shade.
They're fab. I love them.
Thank you very much.
So beautiful. Oh, it's lovely and cool.
No elephant. Oh, they do have elephants.
Elephantes. Not in this bit though. Okay, Okay, discussion point.
Jurassic
Animal
Park.
Kingdom is the best themed park in the world.
Best themed?
Best themed. I think it is.
Yeah, I don't think
it
there's
is.
too many to beat it.
Yeah,
Fantasyland probably
yeah,
would be up
but
there.
even come on, like look around.
Look around, look around.
I think it is.
Yeah, I think you're probably right on that. I can't think of anything better. Tokyo Sea would be up there.
Sea.
Yeah.
Is Disney Sea better themed than Animal Kingdom?
Well, yeah.
Do you think?
Yeah. That's not even a question.
No, I doubt if it's the
I think that, yeah,
That is not even a remote
I think they are,
query. There's a lot of greenery and stuff,
it's the detail. It's the detail, like stuff like this.
Yeah, that's nice. But if it was in Disney Sea, it'd be like 100 foot tall and would be a massive volcano, not a wall.
Oh look, there's buffalo dude.
That is not even an inquiry. Like,
I think there's an argument for it.
where's the boat? Where's the massive
God.
steamboat?
There's one down there.
Close to clearing.
Oh wow.
Just having a bath.
Oh, he's having a poo. He's not having a bath. He's having a poo.
Oh, he's so clean. What are you doing?
I'm sitting in the rain because, sorry, what was your name?
Sharon.
Sharon's on my side, and Sharon's 100% right. I feels like home.
Raining.
Raining.
Are you from England?
I'm from Ireland. She's from
Oh,
England.
Ireland.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry, buddy.
There is a distinct difference that he never lets me forget.
Okay.
Yeah, look at we're better. Birds out there in every way.
Oh my god, it's disgusting! It's just in the wild! I feel like Animal Kingdom's given me a full sense of what Africa is really like. I bet it doesn't smell of churros.
And there's not pin badge stations everywhere.
No, definitely not. It's definitely just not a thing. Ooh. Impromptu show as well. Gorilla Falls Exploration Trail. You should have got the Wilderness Explorers thing.
Oh. Gorillas.
R.I.P. Harambe. Bless you. Bless your soul. Oh, look, a termite mound. Oh, it's nice and cool in here, actually. What creatures are in here? Some sort of... Oh, are they colobus monkeys?
See him?
No, I see a picture of one. Yeah, look.
Where are they?
Up there. They're the ones with the fab long tails, and they get killed for them because they get turned into brooms.
Oh.
They're chilling 'cause it's too hot. Oh, it's a baby.
They don't look as cute when they're babies, do
Don't you think they look like cats?
It's a week old show. Oh, well.
A week old yesterday. Oh my god. A brand new one.
Yeah.
So cute. Naked mole rats. They're so gross.
They're like little
Oh, look at them all over here. Look. Look at them all over here. Yes, queen. She's fab.
Is she fake?
No, it's real. Look at all the fish just eating her face.
She's oh, hello.
She's a queen. We love her.
She is fabulous, isn't she?
Yeah, she is. She sleeps. Here's a fun hidden Mickey fact thing. The rock face as you come out of the gorilla thing is shaped like Jafar. See, there's his nose. And there's his hat. And he's looking over there. For some reason. I don't know why they did that, but that's like a legit thing. It's very weird. I thought that was the Disney Skyliner. It's like a big silver post.
Your eternal reward.
Surely it should be in the snake exhibit of all things. It's down here. Oh, fab! Yay! Look, Connor's not on there.
Oh, another one over there. Common.
So fab.
They're beasts.
It's so cool.
Giving that for later. Having a dance to music is not racist.
Right, here we go. First time. Ugh, hands lost grip. First time in Pandora, the world of Avatar. That looks like the gun that's in Forbidden Valley outside Nemesis. Ooh, spooky. They're quite cocoon-like, aren't they? It's fab. You ready for the money shot? Comes. Don't you think that looks like the gun that's in Forbidden Valley?
I really should have watched Pandora or whatever it was called, Avatar.
That is very cool. Yeah, this is pretty cool. It's like I kind of said all along with it, like, even though I don't give a flying fuck about Avatar, you know they're going to do a good job, and it's amazing, it's just beautiful. And it looks incredible, like the forced perspective is so fab, like that up there it's amazing, it's so cool. What do you think?
Amazing.
Yeah.
Brilliant.
It's really fab.
I've
and like
reference, I've only watched it once.
the colours of everything are so fantastic, like it's great. Like everything's so lush. And that's just so cool. It's amazing. Just kind of wandering around and like being in awe of everything. So fab. In the vial plume.
I'm being so good with it.
Oh, this is Navi River Journey here. 45 for Navi River Journey. Oh, fab. Look.
Oh, yeah.
Tap on this.
Touch it?
Yeah.
Hot.
Is that one working? There you go. I want to do one.
Yeah, some. Sick.
It's so cool. Look at this. It just looks incredible. Yeah, another one. It's like reverberating up there.
Right. You're not my mother. Yes, I am.
Do, 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 do.
Oh, that's sick.
It's So cute, isn't it? The colours are ridiculous, huh? So cool. Even the colour of the floor is amazing. It's all purples and greens and stuff. It's so fab. It's so colourful. I love it. There's too much to look at. I can't stop taking photos of everything. There's too much colour, there's too much waterfalls and things to touch and alien shit, and it's amazing. It's so good. Like even like Connor's gonna go play the drums again. We've had a million photos. It's just insane. It's so good. I just tripped over my own feet because I'm distracted by looking around.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. We are in the queue for the Nabi River Adventure. Yeah, fast pass, not normal queue. I'm excited by this. Love me a boat ride in the dark. Love me some animatronics. Think it's gonna be good? Excited?
Yes, intrigued rather than excited.
I am excited. And then we're gonna join the queue, I think, for Spice Passage. Because I think it was like 80 minutes or something, which isn't the worst. It was so good. It was like, I don't know if I would wanted to queue an hour for it, because it's just a boat ride. But it just looks amazing. Everything here looks amazing. The animatronic was amazing. The theming was amazing. The music was amazing. The smells were amazing. Everything was just good. It's just good. It's amazing. I feel like when Star Wars Land and that opens and everyone stops going mental over this, like that will have like what, a 20-30 minute queue, and then you'll be like, yeah, that's fine. I'm glad we fast passed it. It's very good. Very, very, very good. And now we are, yeah, now we're going to go and wait 10 hours for Spice Passage.
Get some snacks first.
Yeah. Did the Pandora residents not season your food properly for you? Is that?
Nah, I'll give it a kick in, man.
How was it?
Banging. Chicken, black bean, steak, well beef, rice and a black bean sauce, which has been covered in Tabasco.
Does it taste like alien food?
I've never had alien food. It definitely tastes better than the spaceman food I've tried.
I'll take 50 minutes, sure. We're in the queue for Spice Passage. Oh, do we need a thing? What is this?
I'll do the testing, go talk to Lauren. Okay. She can tell you how it goes, okay?
What is this?
Here we go, guys.
4.
Mention you read this and give it to the next technician upstairs.
Thanks, William. I don't know what that means, but sure. We have to read it and give it to the technician upstairs.
Have you been chosen?
Yeah.
Alright then. Flight of Passage debrief. I thought
that was a bit poo, I'm not gonna lie.
Right.
It was fun.
I had a good time riding Flight of Passage. I thought it was cool. I liked the vibraty things. I liked that you could feel the mighty Akron breathing between your thighs. I thought that was quite cool. I didn't like that you could see everyone.
Oh, yeah. You looked to the side and it was like, oh, 100 people.
Yeah, like you're like, oh, because the direction of the video made you go, oh, okay, let me look over here, and then you're like, ah, breaking the fourth wall.
The glasses are really weird shape, so you get like a thin strip.
Of really,
3D.
yeah, and then the rest is blurred.
The rest of your vision is blurred, so when stuff happens over here, you have to go look over.
Yeah.
Because otherwise it's blurry and weird.
We had quite a lot of faff with the pre-show as well, like.
Yeah, like just keep stopping. It
took us about, well, from when we got on, about 20 minutes.
Yeah, So
doesn't help. But
it's a very, very good ride. If you like simulators, it's good. If you like Star Tours,
you'll love it.
You'll love it. It's great. If you like a big screen in your face.
If you like
soaring with your legs straddled. It's soaring
with
mixed,
goose vibration.
Yeah, with extra effects. But also because I don't give a flying fuck about Avatar. Like when I watch Soarin' gives me like major feels, like the Soarin' over California one, because I'm like, oh, so good. Yeah. Whereas like Avatar, I'm like, I don't care about Avatar.
Do you know what I was thinking? I was thinking it would be really good for that Star Wars scene where they were going through, you know, in Return of the Jedi, where they're going through the forest.
Yeah. Yes.
That's where it would look really good.
Yeah. Yeah,
but
okay.
If I'm thinking about that mid-ride, I'm
gonna get so much hate for this, by the way.
Good.
But to be fair, right, we all went on and said we're gonna keep an open mind. Thanks, bye. We're all gonna, oh, it's gone dark. Hello. We all went on and said we're keeping an open mind, and we all did, and it stopped, the ride stopped, and we all just looked at each other and went, ready? Like, yeah, and I think for all four of us, because usually Connor's devil's advocate, and if anyone liked it, it would be Connor, and Connor came up and went,
yeah, it wasn't great.
It was alright. It was okay. I would not queue as long as people are queuing for that. I would even go as far to say that I preferred the Navi River adventure. Because I love me some animatronics. So
yeah, the animatronics are not good.
Yeah.
It was
the best thing in that was the blue man in the ride. Cute.
Oh yeah, the animatronic in the queue was fab.
That's the best bit about it.
Yeah.
I think if you want to try and stack it up against like the actual plethora of Disney dark rides, and you want to stack it up against things like Shanghai's Pirates or Journey to the Center of the Earth or Indiana Jones,
it's not even touching it. It's not even touching it. I tell you what, the best ride in this park is over there in Dino Land USA. Dinosaur is better than that.
I tell you what
I can't wait for everyone to hate.
Everyone's gonna get so much hate.
If you're a massive Avatar, oh wait, I'm not gonna
so if you're the massive Avatar, if you're James Cameron,
okay, we didn't hate it. We did not hate it. Let me make that perfectly clear. We did not dislike this ride. It's just not as good as everyone.
It's fine.
It's good. It's a good ride. The land is fucking incredible. The land looks amazing. The theming is amazing. Navi River Adventure is amazing. I loved it. But yeah, if that ride has more than an hour queue,
I wouldn't do it again.
Yeah, I wouldn't do it again.
I'd probably prefer Soarin'.
Yeah, and you hate Soarin'.
I was shaking my group with my little friends. So, Donald decided to round up all his Chucky friends, put them on set very truck stores, and bring them here to Dino Land, where we celebrate all things Dino love.
We have had some experiences today, let me tell you. So, Jake, when he came here 10 years ago?
Yeah.
10 years ago, did not get the Primeval World creds because they were spiting. So we've come back today and only one side is open. So he's got one side. The other side had some team members working on it. Yeah. And they said, why do you want the other side? And it's like, you know why. Don't make us say it out loud. You know why. Oh, there's Doug and Russell, or the wee Chinese baby, as Connor called him. So yeah, we have a vendetta against them and trying to get them. We're going in as tough to be above, by the way. Yay, 10-minute wait. And then this is stupid because I feel like an idiot. I have like a mental list of things I want to do when I come to Disney World. This time, for my character meet and greets, I wanted to meet the 7 Dwarfs at Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party, and I wanted to meet the Chipmunkosauruses, which is Chip and Dale dressed as dinosaurs and as cute as hell, and that's one thing I wanted to do, right? So we go into Dino Land and we're like, where are they? And this girl's like, they're coming out here at 4, it's fine. So we're like, sweet. And we stood there for like 10 minutes and we're like, and Connor's like, I can see them over there. And we walked around the corner and they had this whole like setup with like a background and a Disney photo pass photographer. So we were like, oh okay. We went up there and the girl was like, no, there's no more today because they have a dance party to get to at 4. So we're like, hold on a minute. We've been told to come here, wait here at 4. The whole time they've been up there taking pictures. And the girl was like, no, you can't have your photo. So anyway, we complained and I got a photo. And I feel like a total twat, but I don't care, yay! Don't you love being at the bottom of the Tree of Life and just seeing all the animals carved into it? There's so many of the bugs. What's your favourite animal in the Tree of Life, Hughes? Where's the elephant? At the front. Look at the elk, yay, they're fab.
There's a great ape right there.
Oh yeah, he's fab. It's a giant chimp. I don't think he's an orangutan, it's a chimp, isn't he?
That's a chimp, yeah.
And there's like monkeys and eyes.
Get over. Come on, sit
A chimpanzee. You're getting some mist.
Oh,
there's a croc there, or is it a gator? One of them.
What? Something like you're in the rubbish? Yeah.
It is time for It's Tough to Be a Bug. The only reason we're in here really is because of the aircon. It is so nice and cool. Hi.
You're 8 minutes. Don't worry. You're gonna have me for a whole 8 minutes and I'm Ryan.
Woohoo! Oh ma.
Yes, stranger.
I'm just excited because it's cold in here. London.
You wanna hear a bad English joke?
Of course.
2 monsters sitting on the wall, and then one of them flies away, and you know what he says to the other one?
What?
I'm off.
That was really bad.
An English person told me that joke. That's how I know that it's a good. That's how
I like that it's bug based and we're in It's Tough to Be a Bug as well. It's good.
Right.
How do you not get? You're the king of bad jokes.
2 flies sitting on.
No, moths. 2 moths.
I see where.
You can see where this is. Yeah, you can see where you've
2
misunderstood.
moths sitting on a bench, and then one goes, "I'm away."
No, he says I'm off.
Oh, he's off. Sorry.
I always forget how much I love that show. The hopper, a gecko. The hopper animatronic's really fab. It's a bit awkward that it's just casual Kevin Spacey and it's Disney Plus. It got kicked off of Netflix, but it's fine for Animal Kingdom.
Is he still there?
Yeah, that's Kevin Spacey's hopper. Hey, Omar. Bye. And then we're gonna go. Bye. We're gonna go cool off on the rapids now because we've got a fast pass that is valid now.
Where is it?
It's dead away. Asia. Here you are on the ocean. I love this queue line, it's fab. All of their queue lines are fab actually. No, put it in my bag please.
Or is it just Asia?
Is it just a made up Asian country? I was the one who got wet. So there's one person who gets wet, and I was like, oh, I don't know if I want to go on it because I keep getting soaked. It puts me in a bad mood. And I was like, whatever, I'll go on it, it'll be fine. And now I am drenched. Anyway, there's a storm coming, so we've decided we're going to go on the safari because we want to see all the animals going mental in the storm weather, which we're hoping will happen. Do you know what I forgot about, Connor? The disgusting fake sunset that they do. It's the worst. Yeah, see you on the safari, yay! Kudu.
I can tell that these greater kudu are female because they do not have any horns. Males of this species would have horns.
They're up there.
And a really, really lucky find way at the top of the hill on the right are bongos. Kind of that caramel colored horned animals. Those are called bongos. And bongos are a really rare find because they are such a shy species. We call them the ghost of the forest. They're very, very, very shy, very well camouflaged. Like I said, a group of hippos is called a bloat. These white birds hanging out with those hippos are called pink-backed pelicans.
Oh, they're disgusting. And some kind of vultures.
They're coming.
And 13 feet forward, on the left, a Maasai giraffe.
There's another one in the back, look.
That's a male. Hi, guy.
That's a man.
Looks like there's another one kind of on the other side.
How you doing, buddy?
It's a man.
The giraffe are well known for their long necks, but they also have very, very long tongues. An edge to their spots. Pink, of all the flamingo species in the entire world, they get their pink coloration from the food that they eat, which is brine shrimp. There are 5 different species of rhinoceros in the entire world. We're going to get a closer look at him. Their horns are made of keratin, which is the same stuff that our hair and nails are made of. It possesses no medicinal qualities whatsoever. However, some cultures still believe that it does have medicinal qualities. A group of zebra like these is called a dazzle. You can tell the male apart because he's the one with the beautiful mane. A group of lions is called a pride. They normally live in prides of 1 male.
We got stuck in a rainstorm in the shed as you exit the safari. So that was fun for like
30 minutes.
Hour, yeah. It's not too bad, but now look, it's just that typical after storm Florida. Floors wet,
Katrina
people have
aftermath.
gone home. I don't think it's quite Katrina aftermath. Not quite. I mean,
Kicks like New Orleans and just washed in front of it.
we are heading back to Dino Land, USA, because Mr. Jake still needs a cred. And we're hoping it's open. It's definitely not going to be open, but we can ask. And then we're going to obviously just go on Dinosaur.
Everybody's just vacating the place. Look at that. It's the best thing.
Yay! Everyone's just fucking on. Yay!
Everyone's got the best ride here. Yay!
We're just going to sit on Dinosaur for the rest of the night now. Yay! We've got double ride on Dinosaur. Do you know what's funny, right? Yeah, Connor's having a massive... After going on Flight of Passage and coming off it and being like... that was the thing. When you come off Dinosaur, you're like, yes! We saved the day and it was great. Like, it just doesn't have it.
It's just a stupid, like, it just bumps around in the dark just being funny.
Yeah. What?
This one's
I mean, we're going to go and see now if we can get a ride on Expedition Everest. Yay! We're in Pandora at night and I am blurry. This is probably not going to be the best lighting, so you're probably just going to have to deal with that.
cool.
She looks cool.
Here. There's a show going on, is there?
I don't think so. Good on here?
Look at the lights. Right, hold up.
Oh, it's the drums.
Don't forget, we're listening for banshees. Yeah. I don't hear any banshees. Either. Hey, we just have to get even louder in the top.